So we'll do the Sthanaka to Mandi, Mandi to Sthanaka, 3 speeds. But I'll say Takadini Takajanu.
Okay.
Okay. So the Jati Jati Solakata say. Ready? Place your palms in front of you. 5. Lengthen your spine. Breathe in when you go down, breathe out when you come up, it becomes easier. Okay? 5, 6. Do it in reverse. See, in yoga we say breathe out when you go towards the earth. Breathe in when you come up, right? But for this I'm using the Pilates type of breathing. So reverse. So when you're coming up, you breathe out. It will give you better control. Okay? Come.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7. Go. Takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka. Do it once more. Takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka. Kick, takka, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, 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 takka, dhimmi, takka. Kick, takka, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, 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 takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu. How's your leg feeling? Good? Good, good, good. Yeah, well, good. You kept up. Well done. Well done.